Hi, Dr. Q and Joeylynn here from Star Nursery. Decorative rock is quickly becoming the top choice for low-maintenance desert landscaping. It adds instant color and texture, but it must be installed correctly to protect your investment.
When homeowners consider a desert landscape, they often focus on plants, but the hardscape is truly the backbone of the entire design. Today, we're showing you how to build that foundation the right way.
Before the rock goes down, handle the weeds. Use Spectricide weed and grass killer to clear out any existing weeds and grass. Then lay down a high-quality weed fabric. This important step prevents future growth and keeps your rock from sinking into the soil. Keep that rock away from tree trunks. Rock creates a heat island effect that can bake your trees from the ground up. Leave an area under the canopy as natural soil or mulch. This breathing room protects your trees and delicate shrubs from the harsh reflected desert sun.
Once your foundation is set, don't settle for a flat, one-dimensional yard. Mixing different rock sizes and finishes allow you to sculpt the land. A winding, dry riverbed of smooth stone creates a natural sense of motion across your yard. By layering in varied textures and a few well-placed boulders, you aren't just covering the ground. You're mimicking the desert's organic beauty and creating a sanctuary that invites local wildlife to call your garden home.
People think rock is a one and done, but it does require some maintenance. Depending on the size, rock can wash away or settle over time. Seasonally, you'll want to reapply rock in areas that have become shallow to maintain the 2-inch depth. And to prevent new weed growth from seeds that blow into your yard, apply a pre-emergent like high-yield weed stopper right before the rainy season.
Calculating quantity needed is easy. For a 2-inch deep layer, a ton of 1/2-inch rock covers about 140 square feet, while larger 3-inch rocks covers only about 80 square feet. While every Star Nursery carries samples and half-ton bags for your weekend projects, our full-scale rock yards are located at our Ann Road, Blue Diamond, and Eastern locations. Our knowledgeable staff is here to walk you through every step.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joeylynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.